Welcome to the Item of Interest channel. Today's video is a follow-up on the video that I made about how to make your own 3D croc replicas at home using a Bambu Labs printer A1 that I've had in my lab for about 6 months now. Yeah, they printed out pretty nicely, and recently I took them out on a 2-mile walk along a beach here in San Francisco, and I'll switch over to the close-up video so you guys can see how they turned out after that long. All right, here's a close-up of the Crocs after their 2-mile walk. They turned out to be pretty good for a walk along the beach in San Francisco. It was a nice, bright, sunny day, and I have more footage of that I can show later on. One of the things that happened is that sand started to filter inside them, and I had to pour quite a bit out as the holes in the croc naturally while you're walking through sand start to pick up sand as the way they do. One interesting thing I found from the prints was I was afraid that they were starting to come apart on the bottom because I was getting some string lines as the layers broke up. But what was actually happening was in the slick surface of layer one, uh, the rough sand kind of broke it apart, and now I'm starting to see some of the hollow infill inside, which is making a tread where there was no tread. If you look at the last video, there's no tread. This at least has a tread, which makes it easier to walk. Now I want to see as it wears down a little bit more, what happens when I actually get to the infill. Is that going to do some strange things and breaking up? But I don't think so. I mean, right now, I mean, these things are really thick insole. You know, the fuzzy uh, insert, $15 on Amazon, takes care of the rough spots from the cleanup. And I think they turned out pretty well overall after the beach trip. They don't seem to be any worse for wear. They may need a bit of cleanup. But what's nice about these inserts in the Crocs is that you can unbutton the inserts and pop them in the washer, for example. Yeah, yeah, interesting project.